Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the baseline speed so you know if changes help. Plug an Ethernet cable if available. Wired cuts latency and stabilizes upload. Once connected, run settings network test internet connection and write down the upload Mbps. If you're on Wi-Fi, move the Ps4 closer or remove obstructions. Check for interference from phones or microwaves. Restart both the Ps4 and the router to clear caches and force fresh DHCP assignments before proceeding. Next, configure addressing and prioritization to boost upload reliability. Assign the PS for a static IP via router or PS for network settings so port rules stay accurate. Then enable UPnP or forward these essential ports for PSN and common games. This reduces negotiation overhead and improves NAT behavior. Also, enable quality of service on your router and prioritize the static IP or PlayStation traffic to preserve upload during spikes. Finish by eliminating competing uploads and choosing the best link. Use Ethernet or switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi to avoid crowded 4 GHz interference. Make sure other devices aren't uploading or streaming. Close downloads on the PS4 and pause any automatic updates so the upload channel is free for gameplay. If speeds remain poor, test upload from a laptop on the same network to isolate the issue. If the whole network is slow, contact your ISP and ask about upload caps or modem compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.